Okay, people, for number 19, draw a sketch. Don't even try to do this one until you have a sketch. So we've got our tire here, and we've been told that the diameter is 24 inches, okay? So if the diameter is 24 inches, that means that the radius is 12. It says, through how many degrees does the tire rotate when the automobile travels 5 feet? Okay, well, the first thing you need to do, you see this is in inches and this is in feet. I'm going to suggest that we change this to inches, although truthfully you can find it either way. But I worked mine using inches. So 5 times 12 is 60. So we know that the automobile is traveling 60 inches. All right. So the question is, when we've got how far, basically, I guess we could start by asking how big is the circumference, right? So how far, if the tire travels the entire distance, how far would it have gone? And the circumference is equal to pi, 2 pi r. So we know that we have 2 times pi times 12. So the circumference is going to be 24 pi. All right. We'll change that to change the pi to an actual value here in a minute, or a decimal value here in a minute. But the way that I solve this one is just to use a proportion, because I know that the vehicle went 60 inches. I also know that if I take 24 times pi, I get 75.4 approximately. I've rounded there a little bit. So what I said is this entire distance is 75.4. So if this is the whole thing, okay, then I know that the whole number of degrees is 360, right? So if the car only goes 60 inches, then that's the part, right? So we've got the part to the whole. So all we have to do here is cross multiply, and then you've got your, you should have your degree value. Just round it to the nearest inch. I would, if you can, if you still have this in your calculator, try to leave it in your calculator so you don't round something twice.